What's up, folks? This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Check it out here. I'm going to show you right now how to basically earn up to $3,000. It's a new website. And listen, I lied, okay? I know it says doing nothing, but all you have to do is this. Listen to the video, follow the steps that I'm going to show you, and at the end, I'm going to give you some free money. I'm going to show you how to get some free money to do this, and this is probably the easiest way to make money online so you can leave that 9-to-5 job so you can land in the land of paradise. Now listen, step number one, go to ft.com. Now listen, I'm going to go through this very quickly here, so listen, before you like this or even share this, pause it. Do it with me at the same time. The fastest way to make money online is to model other successful people like me. Okay, look. So you're going to go here, and basically ft.com is kind of a new site to a lot of people because you can basically buy and sell domains. So let me show you something here. People right now selling domains for $10,000, $4,500, $1,000 right here on this site every single day. So listen, imagine, and I'm going to give you the domain. I'm going to give you everything that you need to sell it. You don't need a website. You don't need skills, nothing. All you need to do is listen to the very end to each and every step here, okay? So basically, these are domains that have been sold every single day. Like imagine making $10,000 per month, okay? Doing this one time with me. You could be laying in your bed. You could be on the toilet. You could be at your job right now and do this part-time and make a ton of money online right now, okay? So listen, go to ft.com, and these are people that are currently making money. They're making thousands of dollars per month on autopilot just by doing the strategy here, okay? Now I want you to go to another website by the name of freevaluator.com. Now listen, it's important to really get this to make money online, to actually see the money hit your bank account. You got to follow every site, every step that I give you. You know, losers, they move too fast. They fast forward the video and they miss on a very important step that you need to listen to right now. Okay. So listen, here is what is called Free Evaluator. So basically you can type in any domain. Let's type in wesleyvirgin.com. Let's see how much I'm worth right now. Okay. You hit evaluate, you can do any domain. It basically evaluates the domain. 96,000 euros. I'm worth over $100,000. So right now, if I wanted to sell wesleyvirgin.com, which I won't because I make tens of millions per year with that domain. So obviously I'm not going to sell it. But listen, you're going to need this tool, okay? Keep this site open. Are you with me? Keep it open because you need to come back to this. Now, the next site that you need to go to is justdrop.com. Yes. And I'm talking about justdrop.com. Okay. So listen, this site is basically domains that have been dropped. Okay. People buy domains every day and they forget to renew. And listen, I know I got a friend right now. He does 15 grand per month. And you know what? He does less than an hour a day of work using the same technique that I'm giving you for free. So listen, since I'm giving it to you for free, can you smash the like button? I know it's on YouTube, but for the YouTube algorithm, smash the like button. Show me some love, okay? Because I love you, all right? Now listen, check it out. So what you want to do here is click on join the newsletter here, okay? Very easy to do. Type in your name. Your name is Big Head, okay? So put Big Head at yahoo.com. That's your email account. And listen, you're about to make some money. Hit subscribe. It's just that simple, right? You go to your email, you confirm it, and then what's going to happen, you're going to see this, okay? Now listen, you have to do it exactly like I showed you, or you won't get the payment to your bank account or your PayPal account at all, okay? So look at all these domains here. These are domains that are being sold right now for $69. Right? 69. So imagine taking this domain and making thousands of dollars. People are doing this every single day, all day, and it doesn't cost them a dime. So what you're going to do is choose a domain here, okay? Choose one, and you're going to purchase it. Now I know what you're thinking. You may say, well, Wes, I'm broke. I don't have any money. I can't even pay attention. I can't even pay that cost. Listen. If you watch to the very end, I'm going to show you something real cool, and I'm going to put some money in your pocket so you don't have to worry about basically making the money. I'm going to show you how to make it for free. Is that cool? So listen, like a domain like this. Let's say if I wanted to utilize that, and I am going to take it here, okay? Hit evaluate. Now that's only $25. So we don't want that. Because listen, if I try to sell that, I'll be losing money. And see, this is what the experts do. What they do is they go here, they find domains. Some of these domains actually cost more, but they have been dropped, right? They have the person that bought it, they forgot to renew. But look at this, burnthefatoff.com. Ooh, that's a sweet domain. Let me tell you, some weight loss domains are very expensive. I've created one 5 years ago, and that was my my $1 million product, fatdiminisher.com. It's worth like millions of dollars because I've made over $30 million with that site, fatdiminisher.com. And I'll show you in the description below how I did that step by step. So you can do it. Anybody can do it. Newbies can do it. I mean, it doesn't matter who you are. As long as you're willing to take action, you can do it. Okay. So look, let's type it in here. So what you want to do is you want to find a valuation that is valuated higher here. Okay. See that right there? Oh, my subscription here. All right, so you use free evaluator basically to type in the domain here to get the cost of the domain. Now, listen, when you find a domain right here, you go through all of them, right? It doesn't take too much time. It just copy and paste, copy and paste. Once you find one that's hot, does that make sense? Once you find a domain like this one, if it's $69, if you do an evaluator for it and it's worth over $200, then that's $100 plus in profit. Then you take that domain, you buy it here, and don't worry, I'm gonna show you a site where you can get it done. If you need $69, I got your back. Just stay with me here. You go back to FT and you click on Start Selling. Okay, you fill out this information right here. Very simple to do. And yes, I know what you're thinking, Wes, hold on, that costs money. I don't have money. Hey, listen. You're going to sign up for the free trial, and you got 7 days to sell it as long as you follow every step that I showed you in the video. And if you don't make any money, which most people do if you do it correctly and do it now, you just cancel and you sign up again. Okay, that's what smart people do. You don't have to pay a dime. Sign up for the free trial, and you do everything I just showed you. Listen, you can do this right now as you're listening to my voice right now, right? Do you hear the excitement? You go back here. You go to justdrop.com, you type in all these domains, right? And you find out the domains that basically the valuation is high, like 3 to 4 times. Some of these domains are worth over thousands of dollars. Like before I did this video for you, right now, I checked it, and you can do it right now and get busy. And every day to your email, you will get an email of new domains that are even less expensive than this. Does that make sense? See, look, Esterbot. Valued $2,300. Can you imagine making $2,300 every week? That's almost $8,000 to $10,000 a month, right? It's simple and it's easy, and you can do it, and you can do it now. Okay, so that's all you do. Once you sign up, easy to get approved. It takes about 5 seconds to do that. You're going to put your domain here. You're going to sell it based off the price that you've seen here, and you can make it a little bit higher. Why? Because you can negotiate. You can put it here and have people make offers. But listen, it is free, it is easy, and you can do this right now. Now listen, for everybody that needs money, okay, smash the like button if you got massive value. Let me show you where to go if you need some money right now because you have $0. Everybody else, get busy. Go right here. This is my new channel. It's called Make Money Online, raw and unedited and uncut. What I've done is this. Listen, I've taken my best videos that gonna cost you no money. Okay, it costs you $0. Like in this video, it may cost you $69. But if you go here, you watch the video right here, the free bot that makes you $770 a day. You take that $700 a day and you invest it here. This is what internet marketers do, okay? And you buy a lot of domains, right? You got to check them first here, and then you sell them here. And now guess what? You have a business. So I'm going to leave that up right here. Subscribe to that channel. It's just the easiest. It's unedited, it's raw, and there's no edits in this video, and it's only videos how you can make money right now with $0. Much love. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.